Hi friends. So yesterday we talked about creating a sorting rule. That's when we put objects in different groups based on their property. We can sort things by color, put all the blue things together, put all the red things together, or we can sort things by big and small, by hard or soft. There's other ways we can sort it, and what we're doing is trying to find one distinguishing characteristic between our objects and seeing if we can sort them. So today I am going to sort some objects, and I want to see if you can guess what my sorting rule is. This horse is going to be in one group. This farmer is going to be in another group. Cow is going to go with the horse. The sheep is going to go with the horse and the cow. This girl is going to go with the farmer. This firefighter is going to go with the girl and the farmer. This pig is going to go with the horse, the cow, and the sheep. And this guy here is going to go with the firefighter, the girl, and the farmer. So, let me show you my groups. So I have one group over here. And I have another group over here. So, pig, sheep, cow, horse. Can anyone guess what my sorting rule is? You're right. I grouped it by animals, and people. Today, you're going to, again, practice sorting. So putting things in different groups, creating a sorting rule, and then writing down what your sorting rule is. Good luck.